Hello, in this video I will show you how to reset data in Affiliate Press. Scroll down to the Data Cleanup and Reset section. First, delete the visit data by selecting the desired duration. Affiliate Press provides multiple options. Select according to your needs, then click the delete button and confirm. The data has been deleted successfully. Now, go to the Visits page. This is the Visits page where you can see all visit records. Only 1 month of records is shown here. The record have been deleted. Now go to the Settings page and check the new option for resetting data. Affiliate Press provides a complete data reset feature. Click the Reset All Data button. Here you can see the total data count. Confirm your action and click the Confirm button.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.